our countertop heated display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 18 inches in length. Overall depth of 15 3/4 inches. A height of 31 inches. On the back of the case, we have your power switch along with the temperature control and the indicator. 3 shelves with each shelf measuring 13 1/4 inches in depth by 15 inches in length. And the overall height of 21 inches. To the bottom is a water pan, and being a display case, it'll keep your products moisturized. 110/120 voltage plug, and on the top left corner, ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this display. Located on the inside of the display case, on the bottom of the ceiling, is a light that'll point downwards and showcase your products. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.